Hi ladies, today I'm going to show you how I style my hair on wash days in between protective styles. Follow me on Instagram at me.koh, and this will be my first time using this product. I'm going to be using the Mizani True Textures line. I've already washed my hair, and this will be a nice little twist out, I hope. I am working with stretched hair. I did blow dry my hair out on a cool heat setting just to get it dried and a little bit more stretched, because I initially intended on my twist out being elongated. I do have a lot of shrinkage. I have 4B, 4C hair, so my hair shrinks up pretty good. But I ended up using this Twist and Coil jelly from Mizani, and I'm just sectioning my hair, and I am putting the jelly on the individual sections and twisting as I go. So usually I use my Let's Jam jelly to do my twist outs, and that's kind of been my go-to. And I still love my Let's Jam jelly. This was just me trying something new, and I would say that one of the mistakes that I made is I think that this product is meant for wet hair. So probably like wash and goes, it probably would be better used. It did kind of make my dry hair a little bit hard after it dried, and that kind of bothered me because I'm used to my Let's Jam, which makes my hair so moist once it dries. So I would say that was one of the downfalls, and then I'll talk about another one later on in the video. Okay, so as I was saying before about some of the things I would do again, this was kind of my downfall. I did end up sectioning the hair and putting it in a hair tie in order to stretch the hair a bit more as it dried, and instead it ended up making the twists all wonky. So when I undid the twist, they were just kind of all over the place because I did sleep with this style in overnight, and I probably next time would just do my usual flat twists and then just do my little pick out and not try to do this tying thing. Alright, it is the next day, and you see what I mean? My twists are going all over the place. Some are sticking out, some are bent at the ends. It's just kind of a hot mess, but I use some oil anyways to put some moisture on my hair before undoing the twists, and I kind of just undid them one by one. The actual twists were pretty defined, I'm not gonna lie. I didn't like that my hair wasn't as moisturized as it usually is when I use Let's Jam, and of course my fro wasn't as perfectly shaped as I would like it to be because of the way that I tied the twists up. So don't do that if Okay, so I ended up spraying some curl milk. It's like a leave-in conditioner from the True Textures line, just to add some more moisture, because like I said, there just wasn't enough moisture for me. The twists are actually kind of pretty, besides the ones that are like crooked, looking a hot mess. When I pinned up the sides like I'm about to do, it's kind of a look, so you could actually wear it like this. That's what you're kind of going for. It's like a mohawk style. That's cute. Okay, so usually I would just leave my hair like this, and I would let Houston humidity puff my hair out and make it a little bit more shaped, but I didn't want to wait for that for the sake of the video, so I got a spray bottle and I added some water to my hair just to kind of, you know, poof it back up, add some shrinkage to the sides, and make it more of a shape. Yeah, so at this point I was pretty good with the way the style was looking. I just picked it out a little bit more and kind of spread it apart to make it look a little bit better. But it was giving me a nice shape, showing kind of my little taper cut that I had when I first did the big chop over a little less than 2 years ago, and how it kind of grew out, kind of cute. And I'm feeling the shrinkage as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think. Do you like the twisted, more defined version, or do you like this? Do you want to see more videos of my natural hair care from me? Let me know, and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for the next video. I post videos weekly, and you can find all of my social media information in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching.